good morning. It is Thursday. Gonna be a nice day today. Gonna be a busy day today. Gonna start off at the Brentwood Estates Mobile Home Park, where I'm king of the mobile homes. Anyway, we got a job there to start off today. Then we're gonna go to Hudson Beach on 4th Isle Way. And we're gonna be doing a pool cage in a house on the water. We're gonna get the old chlorine a-slinging today, baby. Then on the way home, we're gonna be hitting a driveway and back Lanai. So we got a nice big ticket day. Every day this week's been a nice big ticket, so everything's going great. Tomorrow I have 3 jobs on the schedule for tomorrow as well. All right, very busy. We are full in March all the way, and we're booking into April now. I'm Don from Super Blast, and we will see you at the mobile home park. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at this job. We're here. Got some algae growing up there. Just basically dirty. And some cocoons on here. The back's probably got the mold on it. We got 2 hoses here. The water pressure is very low. And this is where you're going to see it. Well, not too bad. They're getting ready to go back to Vermont. They just bought the place. So they want to get it cleaned up before they go. There's some algae all along there. And we're going to come down the side. We're going to stay out of there. But we will blow the screens out. We got algae growing up here. And the driveway's black. Very dirty. All right, we're going to start the job right here. Work our way around, rinse back, get this driveway done, go down the side, then we'll be done. All right, let's get after it.
Some folks are born silver spoon in hand. Lord, don't they help themselves, yeah.
All right, looking good, all clean. That algae up there is all gone. Everything's good. You can see that white track over there. All the dirt's out of the track as well. We're done all the way up to there. Now we're going to SH this driveway, sidewalk after we get the hose around. We're going to walk all the way past here. And I'm going to walk back and SH it and then rinse it all out. Just so the hose is on this side of the driveway. All right, let's get after it.
But when the tax man comes to the door, Lord, the house is like a rolling stone, yeah. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no senator's son. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one, no. Some folks inherit star-spangled eyes. Ooh, they send you down the wall, Lord. And when you ask them, how much should we give? Ooh, they only answer, no, no, no. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no military son. It ain't me. It ain't me.
All right, we got the whole entire mobile home finished. Now we're going to get after the sidewalk and this driveway right here. All right, let's get after it, shall we? how you get her done. All right, we'll see you at the next job. Pool cage and home on the water. It's gonna be a nice one. Hey, Don here from Super Blast, job number 2. We're out here on the beach today. We're gonna be starting the job right here. We'll be back in a couple weeks to get this tile roof done. It's white roof supposedly. It's black right now. We'll get behind here. All that dirt that's behind there. We'll be nuking the whole place. Like I said, we're going to start right there at the garage, work our way around. And all the way around to this back deck and the lanai that's back there. Then we'll rinse our way back around, rinse whatever soap's on the driveway. We're going to clean the concrete on that side as well, all the way down to the seawall. But we're going to rinse all the way back, then we'll go down there, get the concrete done to the seawall, then we'll go into the bird cage and get that all cleaned up. All right, let's get out.
Ain't no fortune in one, no. Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they're red, white, and blue. And when the band plays hail to the chief, ooh, they point the cannon at you. It ain't me, I ain't no fortune in one, son. It ain't me, I ain't no fortune in one, no.
All right, we're done all the way around. You see the edge of the roof tiles? All nice and white. We'll be back to clean the rest of this roof next week, I do believe. But while I'm here, I'll get this edge. See how black it is down this way here. See how that looks? See how that looks? All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this, all the hose on this side of the driveway, enough to do all this concrete. We'll get the concrete done first, then we'll go in and get the pool cage done and we'll be done. All right, let's get after it. right, and as you can see, 10.6 gallon a minute gets after it. All right, now we're going to SH this side of the pool cage, rinse all this off and the sidewalk off, then we'll go in the cage and get after it. All right, well, let's get after it. Okay, we're done all the way down the side here. Concrete looks great, it's all rinsed. Now we got some algae on the outside of this cage over here, right on this side, north side. Then we're going to go down the end over there, SH everything down, then rinse it all off. Then we'll go on inside. The hose will go right around the corner, right into the pool cage. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Everything. Ooh, look at that green spot right there above the gutter. See that? Everything else looks really nice. Out here on the water, beautiful day. Oh, that's nice and clean all the way down. All right, now we're just going to get inside and get after the rest. Come on in, SH, and rinse. See all that mold up there? All the way across over there. This whole cage is pretty moldy right in here. All right, so let's put this over here where it's not going to get soaked. All right, let's get after it. All right, we got the whole place new. There's no algae anywhere. Now all we got to do is the ever so satisfying rinse. Let's get after it. All right, there you have it. Complete job. Finished, finished, finished. Looks really good. Customer came out and said it looks immaculate. That's a good thing, right? All right, now we're gonna reel straight back to the truck here. We'll be done with this job. All this concrete came out really nice. What a beautiful day. All right, we'll see you at the next one. Let's get after it.